Ano man yan?
Nice.
Hindi.
Twin ba? O din?
Ang kamo niya.
Okay. Okay lang to dito. I'll charge na.
Talo na gray. Tapos parang dark yellow.
Dito lang yung pato.
Hindi siya mahirap eh. Sa tingin ko siya mahirap.
Okay, okay.
Mahold mo lang ng konti. Konti lang masyadong elevator na i-add mo eh. Kasi ganda nyo ng 2 points. Rasyan din itsura na yung muhabit ba eh. Magaling din mag-high alpha ko eh. Galing nga. Kaya masyado, parang Eurofighter ang angle. Sensitive ng pitch mo, no? Oh, ganda, oh, mag-high alpha. Let's go. Nice, oh. Sustoy, pisagay.
Yo.
Itong pinakamaganda dito lang. This is the best part. Hindi ko alam. May tattoo, may Dubai. Kilala mo na yan? Kilala mo sa akin? Ayaw kayo tattoo. Ba't na that big? Ako lang ang tattoo sa titi.
Ha?
Oop.
You have a tattoo where? Is it in inches? Is it a ruler? Will? You put a tattoo there, and the tattoo is a ruler, and it's in inches. The longer it gets, you can see the reading. Puta, it's already 5, it's already 6, uy, 6 and a half. Uy, mag-7 na to. Puta. Thank you very much. Kasi lang yung tattoo na. And the guy who's putting tattoo, hindi ko pwede lalaki, dapat babae. So how can you get the right measurement? And then, well, as age comes by, notice na it's not getting the response down to 5 inches.
Kuha na mo, Jim?
Oo.
Then now, pa short gauge. Kita mo, fresh pa.
Jim.
Wala.
Ano, vibrate man? Oh?
Blade niyo ba? Di balance.
Cute, no?
Putang.
Murag blade siguro na.
Ay mo po tailor day.
Ganda. Oh?
Grabe ano to James, mag-loop.
Try daw, do one. You climb. Oh, tangina.
James.
What the hell was that?
James. Hindi balance, no?
Yeah, you're top.
Dalawa lang yung sikit yan. May balance
Fly high and do like a flip, you know, but not so fast.
Lapit naman ako sa base.
Okay, flip it up backwards.
Try mo lang ilagay
Grabe, no?
yung isang ano mo, parang error.
If you power it, you can flip it.
Kaya mo lang tape. Power flip?
No, yeah, and then you can power and then flip it high.
Sabi ko.
Oh, load on, Manila. Ha? Agad ko Manila.
Anong prop?
Oh, dako. How much is cost? 2,200 for the kit with EDF and the motor. Uy, pwede na. Yes. Ay, dalawang servo lang.
Yes.
Oh.
Hindi balance.
Ganda James. Ganda rin lumipad.
Sige daw lang.